To enhance your GTA 5 installation process, follow these straightforward steps to ensure a smoother and more efficient setup. Step 1. Prepare your system. Make sure your computer meets the minimum system requirements for GTA 5. Check for sufficient disk space, updated drivers, and a stable internet connection. Step 2. Download the latest version. Visit the official Rockstar Games website or your preferred gaming platform to download the latest version of GTA 5. Ensure you are downloading from a reliable source to avoid corrupted files. Step 3. Disable background applications. Before starting the installation, close any unnecessary applications running in the background. This can help free up system resources and prevent potential conflicts during the installation process. Step 4. Run as administrator. Right-click on the GTA 5 installation file and select Run as Administrator. This grants the installer the necessary permissions to make changes to your system, which can help avoid installation errors. Step 5. Follow installation prompts. Carefully follow the on-screen prompts during the installation process. Choose your preferred installation directory and ensure you select any additional options that may enhance your gaming experience, such as installing updates or additional content. By following these steps, you can enhance your GTA 5 installation experience and get ready to enjoy the game with minimal hassle.